Oh, guys, there's some guavas here. Let me try and taste the Ugandan guavas. Ouch. See? Oh, it's so hard, but ripe. But it's so hard. Let me look for a soft one. Let me unroll my hair. That way, okay? Let me unroll my hair and look for soft. There's another soft one. Guys, there's a soft one. Ah. It's ripe, though very hard, but it's ripe. So I'm testing Ugandan guavas for the first time. I'm putting on my African t-shirt with the Kenyan flag on it. So don't mind my hair, guys. Let's just focus on the guavas. No, there's one I want to get. This one here. Do you guys see it? This one. How are you? Hi. Come and say hi to me. Come. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay, what's your name? Wow. Hey guys, kids are so sweet in the village, but now language is the barrier. You see? It's sweet. I've noticed something. These Ugandan guavas have got different shape from the Kenyan guavas. The Kenyan guavas are not, they're kind of oval. You see these guavas, they are oval. But the Kenyan guavas are round. These are different species of guavas. My first guavas in Uganda. Amazing village life. And the guava tree is very short. You see? That's how the guava tree is. And very easy to climb. I guess I'm gonna climb it someday. I'll put my feet, you step here, step there, and you're up the tree. Someday I'm going to climb this tree till up there. But then I have to ask whether it's a taboo for women to climb trees in the village, in a Ugandan village. So I have to ask first. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, karibu sana. I'm so fond of touching my hair. I don't know, when I'm vlogging, I'm so fond of touching my hair. Kindly bear with me. I want to do away with that. I'm trying to do away with it, so kindly bear with me. So here I am eating guava. This is another vlog, day 1 of being in the village. And do you know what? I'm an assistant to someone making lunch. So we're going to prepare lunch, African village lunch in a Ugandan village. So we are going to prepare lunch. I do not have even a specific idea of what the dishes are. You know, Ugandans do a lot of paste sauces. That is, they make their food using the groundnuts, using groundnut sauce. So let's head to the kitchen. You're gonna meet the chef. She's going to take me through the process. We're going to prepare food with her together, and everything continues well. Let's see how it's going to be. The first food we're going to prepare in this Ugandan village. And as I've told you, I'm an assistant. I'm going to do whatever I'm told to do because I don't have even a single clue of what I should be doing. So let's head together. I think she has begun. So let's head to where she is. She'll introduce herself, say her name, and the type of meal that we are going to prepare. Let me show you something before we leave. This pumpkin. This pumpkin with pumpkin. These pumpkin leaves and the pumpkin fruit itself. That is something that we also have in Kenya. It's growing next to the passion tree. Yeah, so let's head to the kitchen, guys. This is my host's home, and the host has consented to the home being seen on camera, guys, so don't come for me, kindly don't come for me. The person has consented, so let's head to the kitchen. Hodi. Are you camera shy?
What?
Are you camera shy?
No.
Oh, first introduce yourself.
Hello. I'm Andres Rubel.
We have this traditional stool right here. It's so light, very light. I don't know the tree that it's made from, but very beautiful. And I like it so much. I like it. If I could get such, wow. And I know carrying them is the problem, but I like this one. And this is my first day here, and everybody knows I like it, so they tell me it's mine. I'm the one who sits on it. Yes, anywhere, everywhere. Viola's just added more white ants.
You know this?
What are those?
Libena.
What is that?
Yeah. It's something they make
Are they-
this out of it.
Oh, ribena. Is it edible? Or what do you use it for?
For juice.
For juice. I like this basket. Yeah.
The local name is Kobe. What? The name I have even forgotten.
It's a nice one. So we're going to fry the white ants. They're already in water. I think they're being washed. Ready for frying. And that's where they're being fried. I don't know if I'll ever eat these white ants. Okay. I have to do it.
You learn our language. Look back.
Yeah, I know I'll learn it, but I can't learn it completely.
You're going back with father, right?
Yeah.
So it's a long.
What if I leave before?
No? At least by when?
Where's the bottle?
I don't know. Some.
See how nice this sauce is. It's for the white ants. Really?
This thing is so nice.
No.
You like me collect some with this event.
So nice, but it's for the white ants. I can't believe it. Anyway. Alright. So you add them. Oh, you're adding some to the beans.
But it's not like any tribe's traditional food. Eh? If it was there, when there's a function in that very tribe, it was not going to miss.
So all tribes in Uganda eat it.
Martin,
Gracias, gracias.
glass ngwarira.
Simitao, abantu bomulira bakaba.
Glass libaze mukirudi eteyo.
Sema abantu bosiba wongera, abantu bana kule.
Ndoko.
Asotani tiyo.
Yale akadani kutama ndazara kina ramzo.
Aha, ini sio ba yemo, ba yemo mbetu.
Ari nto.
Ne tiyo.
Martin. He's asking me for glass. I was about to refuse it.
So I do that. Okay. We are cooking white ants. Masses Empire Africa, if you happen to watch this video, you gave me a challenge of eating white ants. My sister, oh, I don't know. I don't know whether I'll eat it, but I've cooked it. You see? I'm now cooking white ants. For eating, I'm not sure. Wow. Wow. Uganda and YouTube won't kill me. Wow. New culture everywhere. I'm just learning. Everything here is new to me. Very new. Everything you're seeing here. I'm learning new stuff. And that's the goodness or the advantage of traveling.
You add this water?
Which one?
In the cup.
The whole of it? Okay, so we're adding water. For it's soup?
Yeah.
Oh. So we're making a soup for white ants. White ant soup.
From here,
Santana! Aka imitated Tiani, we don't come on.
She's far away.
Junior, sit properly. Iriatinda, Mammy Soraba, Irinda. Junior, we go to Azandra. Maybe Musakatia. The Mara Kibertonde, Brazil, Bango, look there.
let's go.
Imelu, ime piniti. I'm going to do first test this one.
No. This one. White ants.
Nadin. Nyazar tuangba.
This one is sweet. This one is sweet. This one is sweet. This one is not.
You first try. You cannot just judge before you taste.
Skogana nyasi. Kevin. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, we are done. Thank you, cooks. Who are the cooks?
You people know.
Number one cook is here.
No. Yes, we
We are done. The meal was nice.
Junior is taking soup now. Seriously. But Junior.
The other cook is inside here. Cook, can you come out? Thank you for the meal.
Welcome. You also participated actively.
I think we should go to that valley. We go reduce the food in the stomach.
Let's go drink from there. Okay, drink there. That's what I can.
Let's go.
Disturb me.
Let's go fast.
Shall come back here. Does it Agura is serious? Now for you, go to Uganda. If you're in Uganda, you're a part of Agura market.
Oh, I don't. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this far. It's a wrap and we shall meet in the next one. I'm still trying to adapt to the cultures in Uganda and see how things roll on. So from me, it's a wrap and I say adios amigos.